understanding deliberate more than just intentional. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a word that's quite powerful in English: deliberate. Often, we hear this word in various contexts, but what does it really mean? Is it just about doing something on purpose? Stick around as we unfold the layers of this intriguing word and make your English more deliberate in its precision. At its core, the word deliberate is an adjective that describes an action done consciously and intentionally. When someone does something deliberate, they are fully aware of what they are doing and they have a clear intent or purpose behind their action. But deliberate can also be a verb. As a verb, to deliberate means to think over or consider something carefully, especially when making a decision. Let's look at some examples to see how deliberate works in sentences. As an adjective, she gave him a deliberate look that left no doubt about her feelings. As a verb, the jury deliberated for hours before reaching a verdict. Notice how when used as an adjective, it often comes right before a noun, and when used as a verb, it's about the process of careful thought or discussion. To expand your vocabulary, let's explore words that share similar meanings and those that are opposite. Synonyms for deliberate, adjective, include intentional, calculated, conscious. Synonyms for deliberate, verb, include ponder, consider, reflect. Conversely, antonyms for deliberate would be, for the adjective, accidental, inadvertent, unintentional. For the verb, ignore, overlook, neglect. Understanding these can help you grasp the full context of the word deliberate in different scenarios. When learning, it's just as important to know what not to do. A common mistake is confusing deliberate with deliberative. Remember, deliberative relates to the process of deliberation, often in a formal context, like a deliberative assembly. Another pitfall is misusing deliberate when you actually mean delicate, which refers to something fine in texture or structure, or delegate, which means to entrust a task to someone else. Now that you've got a good grip on the word deliberate, you can use it confidently in both its adjective and verb forms. Remember, whether you're choosing your words deliberately or taking time to deliberate your choices, you're exercising the power of intention and thoughtfulness in your English. We hope this video has been helpful, and we can't wait to see you use deliberate in your daily conversations. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.